Jonah was an ordinary man with an uncomfortable assignment. God told him to go to Nineveh, a city known for violence, corruption, and cruelty, and warn them to change their ways. Jonah didn't argue. He didn't ask questions. He just ran. He went the opposite direction, boarded a ship, and tried to disappear into the noise of the waves. Maybe he thought distance would quiet the calling. Maybe he hoped God would choose someone else. But storms have a way of finding us. Out on the sea, the wind rose, the ship rocked, sailors panicked, and Jonah knew this storm wasn't random. It followed him. So Jonah made a choice. He told them to throw him overboard. The sea went quiet, and then darkness. Jonah was swallowed by a great fish, not as punishment, but as a pause. A place with no distractions, no running, just silence, fear, and time to think. Inside that darkness, Jonah prayed. Not fancy words, just honest ones. He admitted he'd been wrong. He remembered who God was. And when Jonah was ready, the fish let him go. Back on land, same calling, same mission. This time, Jonah went to Nineveh, and the people listened. They changed. Mercy showed up where judgment was expected. The story of Jonah isn't really about a fish. It's about what happens when we run from purpose and how grace meets us anyway. Sometimes the place we fear most becomes the place where we finally listen. And sometimes, being stopped is exactly what saves us.